Hey, it's Kika and welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, today's video we are going to be doing a college week in my life. This is a crazy busy week. I am going out of town for the entire week next week, so I basically have to fit in 2 weeks worth of stuff into 1 week. I also have 2 or 3 tests this week, so it's just a lot going on. I have to be super productive. There's sirens. I've been hearing sirens a lot recently. Right now it is basically 9:30. I have to leave for class in about 45 minutes. 2 things. I seriously need to Google like how to not have your mattress topper fall off your bed because it always slides off because it's stupid. Second thing, before I leave I need to do some stuff for some before I leave I need to do some stuff for some sponsored content. I have a sponsorship, and if you guys don't know how sponsorships work, they give you an outline of things they want you to do. Well, I get no, okay, there's a lot more that goes into this. After all the negotiations, they tell you like what they want from you. You do it, you send it to them, they give you notes, you fix it, you send it back, and if they give you no, like you keep doing it until it's perfect. And so right now I have my first round of like drafts and stuff, so I have the photos taken. It's just for Instagram, but I need to write the captions, and they give you like key messaging things that they want to focus on. My computer is dying, that's not good, but they give you messaging and stuff that they want you to focus on in the caption. Like you write it, but this is like the stuff they want to get across. My content is due today, so I need to do that. I'm also really hungry right now, and I have no food because I haven't been grocery shopping in a really long time. That's now done. I just sent all those images. Now I just want to get ready for class. Laura Mercier sent me some little goodies, like so much stuff. I'm like so happy. They sent me some blushes and some lip liners and lipsticks and then a powder. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to try some of these things. This is a mess from when I did my get ready with me makeup thing. Still haven't cleaned it. I think I'm literally just gonna brush my hair and say that's considered getting ready. I washed my face and brushed my teeth, so like that's fine. I don't know where my brush is over there. Oh, I have giant knots in my hair. I think I'm balding, and I think it's because I brush my hair so aggressively. Now I just need to get dressed, and then we're ready to go. Oh, very basic outfit. I could have like a jean jacket and make it cuter, but I don't want to. Funny story about these leggings. I ripped the tag off them because the tag would like itch me, and now I can never figure out what side is like for the butt and what side's not. So I literally put them on, and then I like was like, oh, I put them on wrong, and then I took them off and I was like, oh no, I didn't. So yeah, next thing on my to-do list before I go to class, I'm gonna do a promo for my video. Haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna check it off my checklist. Where's my phone? I lose that thing. Oh, there you go. I lose her all the time. But basically, what? I just got a weird text. I'm like shaking right now. Here is the promo post that. Follow me on Instagram if you guys aren't already. Yeah. That's awkward. Anyways, I think that the next thing I need to do is just basically go to class. That's the next thing on my to-do list. We're going over like reviewing our test, so it will be stressful because I'm really stressed with this class. Oh my gosh. The most awkward thing just happened. So my like sorority house, all the houses are like connected to each other. They're like townhouses, so basically it's like a house and then you share like an elevator stairwell and then another house. I normally take the stairs, but today I had packages. Even though they're not big, I just felt lazy. So I was like waiting for the elevator, and the door from like the frat house that we share with like opened, and it like almost hit me. And I swear to God, I've never seen one of these people in my entire life like use this elevator. And the guy was like, I've never seen you guys use the elevator. And I was like, I've never seen you use the elevator either. And it was so like not awkward, but I was just like, well, I guess it was, I don't know, it was just like, what? I've never seen them before. I was in class. The teacher always yells at people for like taking photos of the screen, so I never want to film in there because she scares me. Okay, I'm gonna rant. I'm sorry, this like is not negativity that you need right now. This teacher, like, do you know in movies how there's always like that like villain mean teacher who like is just like out to get her students? She reminds me of that more than any teacher I've ever had in my entire life. We went over the review for the test, and she was like, oh, this is the number 1 question, but she said that about every question. And then she was like, oh, this one is meant to trick you guys. That was about every single question. And I was like, I get it, you're testing the concepts and see your students know that, but like you're intentionally trying to trick your students and get them to miss it. What? She's just so I just like and like her attitude, she's just, I hate her. And also ASU has 100,000 students. You would think that they would have more than just 1 professor per class. Like she's the only one that teaches this class on this campus. ASU is like multiple campuses, but you would think 70,000 people I guess on this campus that there would be more than 1 professor teaching a subject. Just a thought, just a thought, just a thought. Unboxing. I need scissors. Oh, I got scissors. Wait, where's my phone? I want that. Oh, I think I lost it again. Where did I put it? Oh my gosh. I bought a new phone case because I love my phone case. I love it. It's great. It like protects it. I like the color, but it always like breaks right here. I've had this phone case. It's my second phone case. Do you see how it's like broken right there? But I always just keep buying it. Like I buy a new one like every 6 months just because it's so good. But last time I had a yellow one, so I got the yellow one again. I always get asked. I always have it linked down below. I like how it protects your phone like up here, and then there's protection down here too. So I don't care that it breaks. I'd rather the case be broken than my phone. Super cute new phone case. I never like have a case off my phone, so it's weird seeing it not on. It feels different. It's like less silicone-y. Someone told me that you could literally just take this off and then just put it on the new one. I need to get a new like card holder though. Beautiful new phone case. Hello. And then the other thing I got, all these are from Amazon. What the heck? I saw this online and oh, this is not, it's like kind of silicone-y. It's this little thing that you use in the shower and it like gets your shampoo in your hair a lot better. So you like go like that. I just feel like my scalp has been really oily, so I thought why not try this out? And that kind of feels nice. That's what I got. That's my haul. Now I'm gonna go study for this stupid class that I hate and ugh. Happy Tuesday. So today I have a marketing test and then tomorrow I have an accounting test. So today is pretty much all studying. I've been studying marketing for a while. I've been using Quizlet. This is the first time throughout college that I've actually used like flashcards to study. Most of the stuff that I study for is like concept based, or like not concept based, like whatever that thing is where you have to like know how to do it instead of just memorize it. So I have not studied flashcards in a really long time because I haven't really had to memorize like terms. I've had to memorize like I guess concepts, like how to do stuff. Checking stuff off my to-do list today. Today is just like a study day pretty much. Back to the same spot that I was in earlier. I just got back from my test. I think it went decently well. There was maybe like 4 out of like 45 that I was not like 100% sure on, so I feel pretty good about that. Now I'm just studying some accounting. I hate accounting so much. I just feel I don't want to rant. I shouldn't. But we have a percentage night for our philanthropy tonight. It's at Board and Brew. Percentage of the money that we earn goes towards the fight against domestic violence, so that's really cool. I'm like really excited to just like eat some food. I'm just trying to figure out what manufacturing overhead is. I mean, I know what it is, but like, you know, I'm gonna write some notes. Hello, it's Wednesday now. I didn't vlog too much yesterday because I was just so busy studying. But I got back from my test and then right after I had tabling, so we are collecting donations. My sorority is. We're collecting donations for school supplies for kids that have been affected by domestic violence. Took this little boomerang of it. That's what it looks like. I was tabling for an hour and now I'm just gonna do some homework. It's 1 o'clock. Whenever I study, I always like have a ton of stuff to do and I just like push it off until the very last moment because I want to spend all my time studying. And so I have a ton of stuff to do, especially again, double the amount of stuff I need to do because of my trip that I'm going on next week. Is there any water in here? I'm really thirsty. Anyways, I just found out though that my accounting teacher was like arrested for fraud and almost went to jail because she like frauded like some accounting paperwork. So I was like, great, love having her as a teacher. Just about to do some discussion board posts and stuff like that. Try to get as much done as I possibly can before my class tonight because I have a night class. Just finished a Just finished a discussion board post on second generation immigrants having a harder time finding work than their parents actually did. So I just did that. I did the response that we're supposed to do and now no, please don't tell me I just did that. I had this module, which is what I just did, open, and then I had the one that I did before because I always like to double check that I'm doing my citations right because I got them right in like the previous ones. So please don't tell me I accidentally submitted last week's assignment. Oh god, please don't tell me I did that. Oh wait, oh thank god, I didn't do it, thank god. Yeah. Here's what, no one really does a discussion board this early on. There's only been 8 like posts and a couple of them are responses from the people that did post. Like here's me, hehe, the head of the game. But I hate responding to it early because then everyone always responds to me and I don't like people reading my stuff because it just makes me feel uncomfy. But now I think I'm gonna take the quiz and then I have one more assignment that I want to do today. Tomorrow's gonna be really busy, so hopefully I can do some stuff today that I wanted to do tomorrow. I'm also really hungry, so I need a shower too. I think I'm gonna do the quiz, a shower, and then go get food because I haven't really eaten all day. I've eaten like candy and popcorn, but that doesn't count. Do you guys use Canvas? So much better than Blackboard. Some people disagree, but I disagree with those that disagree with me. Duh, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna take my quiz. 5-question, 10-minute quiz, which kind of always stresses me out every single time. Hopefully it goes well. I forgot to bring my camera, so we're filming on my iPhone, but I'm doing my favorite thing that I do way too often. I'm sitting in my car. I got Cafe Rio for my meal. I showered too. But I'm about to sit in my car, eat Cafe Rio, and listen to Call Her Daddy. It's one of my favorite things to do. I do it too often and I enjoy it so much. My newest obsession is the sweet pork salad. It's so good. Here, I'll show you. And then I have the house dressing. I get the tortilla on the side. I'm about to put on some Caller Daddy. It's gonna be great. It's almost midnight. I'm kind of talking quiet because people might be asleep. I think I'm gonna clean because I can't sleep and like my room's kind of messy. Gotten a little out of hand these days. Okay, pretty much all clean. I didn't put my throw blankets and pillows up there because I'm going to bed. Also, something that really annoys me is I had a friend over and these got all messed up and now they're tangled behind there and I don't know how to untangle them because I can't see what way they're tangled. And they also keep falling off because the people that live there, every time they like close their dresser, it like moves my wall so they like fall off. Need to take out my trash, but other than that, clean room. Hey, happy Thursday. It's about 2 o'clock right now. I have just been doing schoolwork. I thought I got a ton done, but then it turns out I only did like 1 assignment out of like 6 that I need to do, and the other 6 are like really, or other 5 are really time consuming. Love that for me. But I just got dressed. Here's what I'm wearing. I haven't worn like an actual outfit in a really long time and still not wearing actual clothes, just wearing like sweats every day. I'm gonna go head out to Target because I have some things that I need to get. I just really need food, but I need food that I can either eat in like 3 days or that will like last longer than a week because again, I'm going out of town. I had like some other things that I was like that I need to get, like I need to get like razors and stuff, so I was like I might as well just go to Target instead of the grocery store because like they'll have a better selection of that. Great, literally just did one thing. That was like really dramatic, sorry. It's also like freezing in my room right now, like I'm literally shivering. Trying to get some shoes. I think my feet have like stretched out. Like I think that like the tall part of my feet, do you know what I mean? Like that way, not that way, but that way has gotten bigger because these used to fit me perfectly and now they're super duper tight and I'm like, I don't know what this is. These shoes are also disgusting, I'm aware. They're like small on me now. I'm like, what is going on? And my slip-on Vans are small on me too. I'm like, how are my feet growing? I was like, I literally can't find my car and then it's right here. At least I think this is my car. Huh? Are you my car? It looks too clean to be my car. Let's see. Oh, it's my car. Okay. Okay, angel hair pasta is my newest obsession. I want multiple. I normally get this kind, but it's more expensive. I also got candy. Oops. I think I have everything that I wanted to get. Maybe more than I wanted, but it's all good. Currently, I'm making my favorite meal at the moment. It looks disgusting, but it's really good. And look how gross this is. The cleaners just came too. Yay.